Hi friends, this is Sarracenia. It almost looks like pitcher plant. If you look into the leaves, they look like pitcher plant. So these are also some of the collections, rare collections that they have made. The scientific name is Sarracenia purpurea. You can also see different types of pitcher plant of different species that has been painfully collected by the person. So this is Sarracenia michaeliana. So we also have a collection of sundew plant, which you can notice they have the spatula-like structures and filaments, glandular filaments, and they appear like morning dew, which attracts the insects towards them, and the filament folds over the insects, and that is how they utilize the nitrogen content from the insects. So you can also see different Nepenthes plants. Sundew plant of different species are there. So the Nepenthes plant is a huge, nearly 40 varieties of collections are noticed here this time.